new content. It is literally January the 1st as I'm filming this. I have a couple items with me that are supposedly waterproof. And so I decided to do a quick look by the beach, no less, and then we're gonna test it as I jump in the water. So here goes nothing. We're literally by the beach, as you can see, the set behind me. Show them the cove. We've got a cove over there. So I'm gonna be using my handy dandy palette or mirror. I already have sunscreen on. The sunscreen that I'm using is the Biore UV Aqua Rich sunscreen. This is SPF 50. And to start, we are going to get rid of some discoloration on our face using the Revlon Color Stay Lifeproof stick. I'm in the shade Natural Tan. Oh, thank you. The sun is out now. It was a little gloomy a while ago. But we just want to cover the discoloration. I have not yet gotten a tan and I'm a little salty about it. And I'm about to get saltier once I jump in the ocean. But you kind of just quickly want to blend. So the Lifeproof stick is new. It's not yet available online, but we're definitely going to release it early this year on the Revlon stores. But it's called Lifeproof because it's long wearing, it's waterproof supposedly. So we'll find out today. I like it because it comes in a stick form. The formula is very light and blendable, which is great because you don't really want heavy products on your face in general. So it's just nice that it's very, very easy to blend. Perfect shade. Natural Tan is my perfect shade, which I'm very, very happy about. You guys know that I use the Color Stay Lifeproof Concealer, the Color Stay Concealer in medium. So if you also use medium, give Natural Tan a try. This is, however, available at our offline counters. So if you're looking to get this stick, definitely check it out at a Revlon counter near you. Okay, moving on to blush. We're gonna use the Silkygirl Cool Chic blush stick. This is actually cool. So the reason it's called Cool Chic is because it actually has a cooling effect when you apply it onto the skin. So as soon as you apply it onto your face, it literally gives a cooling sensation, which is very cool. I also love the color, like just the wash of color that it gives. This is the shade number 2 in pink. You don't say. A little bit on the nose for that like sun-kissed look. Perfect. Next we'll do brows. I got this as a gift. This is the K Palette Real Lasting Eye Pencil 1-day tattoo. I've never actually used K Palette products, but this is pencil form. So we'll just fill in the brows. It's a little work. And then I'm just gonna set that with the Maybelline Fashion Brow Color Drama Mascara. Because I have very unruly brows, and if I don't set them, it's not a good idea. Like, they really just go everywhere. And then we're plunging in just to see how waterproof this all is. Wonderful. I realize I will also be using, actually, first a little bit of SPF on your lips. This is the Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm, but it's actually a very nice tint. It's very mauve and it gives the faintest wash of color, which I love. It's sort of like a My Lips Better thing, which is also what I'm going to be doing soon. A list of my favorite lipsticks that are like my lips, but better. I'm going to use the Cool Chic blush again as my lipstick too. So as soon as you put it on your lips even, it gives a cooling sensation as well. Cute. And now we are gonna move on to mascara and eyeliner. You already know my favorites, and I'm probably gonna be featuring these in a lot more of my videos. The Silkygirl Big Eye Mascara. So first we need to curl our lashes. Oh no! The light is changing. But at least I can open my eyes now. So we're gonna curl the lashes. I wonder if this is gonna hold up in the water because this, the Big Eye Mascara is also waterproof. So I'll put it all to the test. Okay, time for mascara. Using the Silkygirl Big Eye Mascara. It says collagen waterproof mascara. Let's find out. Uh-oh, I got a little bit on my nose bridge. So if that ever happens to you, don't like spread the product, try and lift it. So there you go. Because if you spread it, it'll just get worse. So what you want to do is sort of like really press on it and then lift the stain. A little bit underneath on the lower lash. And now eyeliner. Silkygirl 20-hour perfect stay eyeliner. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our quick waterproof at the beach makeup look. Should we add a little shimmer? Why don't we? A little bit of shimmer on the nose. And Cupid's bow. And then on the inner corners of the eyes. And lastly, what I always do, the outer sort of corner. Cute! Okay, I think, so I mentioned in my last video that what I don't like about the Silkygirl mascara is sometimes it makes my lashes fall. So I'm just gonna wait for it to dry a little more and then I'm gonna curl it back upwards. And last curl before I jump in. And the lashes are upturned. The good thing though about this mascara is that even though it's a waterproof formula, which they're usually waxier and sort of stickier, once it dries and you curl it again, you don't really get a lot of stick on your lash curler, which is great because that makes your lashes prone to breakage and you don't want lashes breaking or falling off. But this is the completed look. We're gonna jump into the water in a little bit just to see how everything holds up. Stay tuned. Alright, so the makeup is done with some items that are supposedly waterproof. Is it waterproof? We're gonna find out by me jumping off a cliff. Every time I look over the edge, my heart starts racing. Like my knees get all wobbly.
Go for it.
God! Jumping into 2020 be like... Woo! So I actually did check my makeup out before getting back on camera, but looks like it held up well. My foundation is still on, my blush is still on. I think there's a little bit of smudging from either my mascara or my eyeliner, can't tell which is which. But other than that, guess this stuff's waterproof, so try it out sometime. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I have new videos. Just kidding. But if you want to, don't mind. Happy New Year, everybody. Here's to a better 2020 for us all.